go. What's up, Rippin' Lips family? Back on this voyage. We headed to some new waters. San Bernard River. That's what we're going to check out today. See what we can pick up. We're gonna do a little late morning, afternoon fishing. It's 8:20 and it's 75 degrees according to my vehicle. So it's a little cooler than it has been at this time in the past couple months. So we wasn't really in a rush to get up super early. But anyway, we still got about an hour on this journey. So the plan is to go get them today. San Bernard River. Gonna check out some spots over there. We pushing south, baby. Farther and farther south. We getting there. We gonna check it out. Slowly but surely. See if we can find some fish though. And we'll be back to y'all when we pull up. Yes, sir. Alright, Rippin' Lips family. Got this boat on the water. Let's make it do what it do. Let's make it shake. Find a fish or two. Somebody in that cut where we was gonna go. Just we gonna be in this corner. Right out the gate. Alright. Pretty good, man. What's up, man? How you do today?
I like that thing.
Appreciate it, man. How you do today?
What's up?
How you do today?
I'm doing good, man. I like that thing.
Appreciate it, man.
Like a solo skiff?
Yeah,
Before I got this, I was thinking about getting me like a solo skiff like that.
Uh-huh.
That thing's badass.
Yeah, man. How you get on? You get on them today?
I was looking for ducks.
Oh, okay.
I did a little fishing down at Caltrap Lake. I had a good trout spot. I fished for about maybe 10, 20 minutes and I didn't get no bites, so I'm heading home now.
Gotcha. All right, man. Have a good one. Got him. Redfish to start the day. Want that mulligan. Oh, wait a minute there. There we go, Ripping Lips family. First fish of the day. Let's see if we can get y'all right over here. There we go. Little guy. Let's get this guy released. See if we can continue. There we go. There we go. He gone. Just like that, y'all. We on the board. All right. See if we can keep on. I'm just working this shoreline here. I'm gonna go back. Get back in over here a little bit. Ooh, that was a nice explosion over there. We're going to get that. Another little rat. Nice stick. Bouncing that mulligan off the bottom. I think that's that Optimus Prime, Optimus Lime or something like that color. Get a quick measurement on this guy. Just because. 17 and a quarter. Hey, I just casting at a little flounder. Oh my goodness. Chances of that. Look at this little guy. Look at that guy, y'all. That little guy. Like his eyes, yeah. Oh, there we go. I got no drag on this guy. Little rat. Little rat red. I got absolutely no drag. Sit. That little guy. Found the shrimp under my foot. Guess I had caught it in the cast net. Threw him on. Caught this little pretty guy. 1, 2, 3 spots. Little guy. I guess I got the pole in y'all face, huh? Alright. Let him go. Let him grow. Oh yeah, that's slick right there. Have to go that far in. Oh my. Oh my, that quick, y'all. You got it? You keep it? Come on, stay on it. I don't want to take many oysters, so I'm gonna slow plan so he come up out of there. Got him. Another little rat red. Hey, calm down. Go. Circle hook. Doing the do. Smoke that croak as soon as it touched the water, y'all. Come here, brother. Let me get you on back in there. See ya. Yeah. Come here. Whew, he got smoked. My goodness, look at that. All right. Slick still over here. Oh, yeah. Whoop-de-doo. Wait for them big boys to show themselves. It's gonna come a moment that wind lay down just a little bit and somebody splash. I want that dead croaker. Come on. It's a bunch of little rats. Bunch of little rats. So hey, found some fish. New spot. Found some fish. Sure. See ya. There we go. Oh man. Oh, that's a good one. Feel like it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one there, y'all. Whoa, Jack. That's a slot there. Got some weight to him. Oh, maybe not. Just a strong fighter. 19 maybe, 18. No, he might keep. Might just be 20. Ooh, might just be 20. Oh, he might just be 20. Let's take a quick peek. Should knock that bit out. Take a quick look at you. Oh yeah, 22 and 3/4. All right. How you doing? Pretty good on the redfish today. Yeah, yeah. How you doing? Right?
House was on the corner, y'all was in the street. In the field, nigga, I need cleats.
that's a little red. Little rat. All right, bro.